guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. So Nifty crossed its psychological 23,100 marks and we've seen that it touched a fresh all-time high, which was again followed by some profit booking decline. Now, before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. India VIX is at its 23 months high, hovering around 26 levels, which is again creating a lot of swings in the indices. Ahead of this week, of course, we expect wild swings within a range in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So for Nifty, levels 22 to 22 would be a make or break zone over here with a support of 22,000 and the upside of 23K marks. Talking about Bank Nifty, we have seen clear outperformance here towards the end of the series. Now, rollover has also been quite good in the banking index. Now, talking about levels, 47,777 is a crucial support over here with an upside of the lifetime high levels of 50,000 zones. Again, PSU banking space are in more focus here in this index. Moving on to the sectors to watch out, auto index has been quite resilient despite the volatility of the market. Now, within this space, we are to look out for the battery-related and the two-wheeler auto stocks. Moving on, CPSE has seen a dream run and will continue the momentum here onwards. Adding to this is also, of course, realty, infrastructure, and some of the selective banking counters. Now, this is it for this week. See you next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.